So we're on site here at the Clifton Railway Bridge. We're replacing the bridge, taking out the old bridge and putting in a new one. The bridge behind me is 60 years old and has reached the end of life and needs replacing. The new bridge will have a 120-year lifespan.
Skanska is designing and building a new structure that is going to replace the existing one that is just behind me. The structure carries the West Coast Main Line over the M6, and the main bulk of the works, which is the demolition and the installation of the new structure, will be carried out during the 12-day blockade starting on the 31st of December. My feeling of seeing the steels arriving is of a massive sense of pride and excitement.
Today marks a key milestone on the project, highlighting the successful planning and coordination through key stakeholder members such as Network Rail and National Highways to facilitate these works on site. The new bridge will be circa 130 metres long. When fully constructed, it will weigh approximately 3,000 tonne. The current philosophy of allowing the bridge to be fabricated in an off-site facility such as the one we have at Clifton ensures programme certainty, safety, and it illustrates Skanska's way of highlighting programme efficiencies.
Collaboration and everybody working as one team is extremely important. This means from designers to Network Rail, to National Highways, to the local authorities, to the demolition contractors, the steel fabricators, all of the supply chain, you name it, everybody must be working as one team to make the project a success. One of those examples of the fantastic collaboration that we had is that we have, with support from National Highways, we built a slip road over the M6, and that means we're minimising all of the traffic on the local communities of Clifton and Penrith. So without this collaboration, this would have never happened.
So the benefits of the scheme is that we get a safer, more reliable railway. There's currently an operational restriction on. This will remove that operational restriction, meaning that journey times are faster.
We have been working with the schools and colleges to showcase the opportunities in rail, engineering, construction, attracting the next generation into the industry. We have also employed apprentices into the project from the local colleges, and we're working with local businesses to support our project as well.
This is a major milestone for this project. It's a great achievement from lots of people to get here. This was a brand new remit in October 2023, so to get here in 20 months is an absolutely incredible achievement, and a massive thanks to all the people involved who have got us here today. And it's really exciting for the rest of the project to come, and thank you to the public for also putting up with the disturbance that we are causing.